Okay, so we're gonna try this intro part one more time. Hey guys, so my name is Melissa Resendez. I am 26 years old. My birthday is October 4th, 1997. So I'm a Libra. But if y'all want to know my placements, I said it in the last video, but don't watch the last video because it was my bloopers. But anyways, my placement is Libra, Scorpio, Taurus. Those were chickens. But anyways, so basically what I'm going to kind of, I guess, be posting is going to be about real estate, how to read contracts. I'll do some videos on that. And just, I guess, go with me on random adventures. I think most of the reason, well, the main reason to why I'm even like getting on YouTube is to give myself some accountability and to, I guess, find something to do with a motive, as in, oh, I have to record myself, let me get up and do this. Because I sell real estate, so I'm a realtor, meaning that I don't really have a schedule unless I have to meet with a client. So that is good and bad. Good because I can do whatever, bad because I can do whatever. So unless you have a lot of discipline, it's a little bit hard. So I'm trying to get into a routine. And yeah, so hopefully this helps. But I guess if there's like any certain things that you want to see, just let me know and I can kind of like do that. I'm not a mom, but I have 2 nephews and they are literally amazing. So they'll probably be on here and there. Yeah, I mean, I've been working out. Just kidding, no, I haven't. But I was running again. I stopped, so maybe I'll find like new places to run and y'all can come with me. I'm not sure because this editing thing isn't really my thing. I haven't really started yet. I just have so much going on. Like, I have to do content for real estate. Now I want to add YouTube to there. But I guess, like I said, the main reason is because I'm taking a social media break. So this kind of helps me because I personally feel like I have to record myself to even get up and do anything. Like, if I was not going to do a video this morning, I probably would not have done my hair. I probably just threw it up and gone about my day, whatever, because I told you I'm getting on YouTube today. But yeah, so I'm not really promoting this channel, so if you made it here, thanks for making it here. Goodbye.